All right, Doris, I'm going to go ahead and show you this. Unfortunately, I don't have my document camera with me, so I can't really show you me putting things into the calculator, but I can pretty much get you through this, I think. So let's go ahead and get started. So first of all, we've got to know which formula to use. It says find the value of the annuity. Well, when it says that, it's really asking for the future value, because notice your periodic deposit is $1,000 at the end of each year. And so that is your P, or present value, although it's not really so much present value here as much as you're putting in $1,000 each year at the end of each year. All right, so this is the formula that we would use. If you look on the formula sheet, it's the future value of an annuity compounded yearly. And again, we use this one because it's annually or yearly, and also because we know the periodic deposit, which is P. That means we got to find A. And so that's our formula, this first one here. And so you can see that P is 1,000. Our R is 0.045 if we write 4.5% as a decimal. And of course, the time is 12 years. So I'm going to go ahead and plug that into this formula. And so really now it's just a matter of putting this into the calculator. Now, I'm hoping that you bought the calculator that I recommended because it makes this quite easy. The first thing you would want to do is hit the N over D button to put it in as a fraction. Or if you're using some other calculator, ideally you want to be able to use a fraction button. Like if you had a TI-84, you could hit alpha y equals, and that's how you can get the fraction. So I don't know what calculator you're using, but I'm going to assume it's the TI-30XS. So when you put this into your calculator, you'd hit the fraction button, and then you do 1,000 double parenthesis 1 plus 0.05 end of first parenthesis, and then you'll use your exponent button, the caret symbol, and put it to the 12th power. And then you want to make sure you arrow out of the exponent when you put -1 in, and then that final parenthesis. And now if you're not using this calculator, you could probably do all that and then just hit enter and then divide by 0.045. So in any case, I hope that gets you through this. You should get 15,464. Notice these numbers are rounded to the nearest dollar. So I did round to the nearest dollar. So now we need to find the interest. That was the other thing we were asked to find. And so to figure out the interest, first of all, you want to think about how much did you contribute to this amount, this 15,464. Well, your contribution is you're paying $1,000 at the end of the year for 12 years. So you contributed $12,000. If you subtract that from the $15,464, then you get your interest. All right. Well, I hope that helps. If you have any further questions, just let me know.